Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 11 assignment of the course Data Analytics with Python. So for the past 5 years, we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses guys. So I tried my best to give you the most probable solutions. If there are any differences with your answers, you can please give your answer in the comment section. If I get any changes, I will update it in the comment section itself guys. So please watch the video till the end and don't skip the video. And if you watch the video till then you can be able to note all the changes if I make any. And definitely subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel, and like this video, and please share that with this video with your friends and classmates guys. First question: which library is used for calculating distance measures in clustering using Python? So for first question, the answer is second option, scipy dot spatial. Scipy dot spatial. Next, second one, formula for dissimilarity computation between two objects for categorical variables is. So here the one which is used in these options, one of the variable is p, right? So p is a categorical variable and m denotes the number of matches. So for second question, the answer is first option guys. D of ij equals p minus m by p. Next, third question. Select the correct option for a dataset with 7 objects and an interval scaled variable f. We have the following measurements: f equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 50, containing one outlying value. So for third question, it is fourth option guys. Standard deviation std underscore f is more affected by the outlier. Next, fourth question. Select the correct statement about the standardization in the following options. So for the fourth question, the answer is second option, standardizing the data always beneficial during clustering analysis. Next, fifth one guys. So before getting into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement guys. That is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course Data Analytics with Python, we have collected the exam preparation MCQs with 5 years of NPTEL experience. So here we are providing a huge number of 120 MCQs guys in a Google Drive PDF link. 120 MCQs. So for one person it is 250 rupees guys, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees guys. If any one of your classmates are doing the same course, then form a group of 2 to 5 persons and take it for just 500 rupees only guys. Even if you are one person, no need to worry, you will get that for 250 rupees only. So this is the mail ID guys, bk179417 at the gmail.com. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase guys, please remember that only if you are confirmed, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me guys, because many students are messaging me to want PDF, so that we have to manage them also in first come first serve order. So in order to give the priority to who messaged me first, we have to set that in an order. So only if you are confirmed to make payment, then only mail me guys, so that we can set you in order of messaging. So many students already taken the pack and started preparing guys, so take it now itself and you get more time to revision later. So this is my mail ID guys. So remember, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me guys. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section. 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. One person 250 rupees and 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. So now let's get back to the solutions. Which of the following can act as possible termination conditions in k-means? So for a fixed number of iterations and second, third, fourth, all the statements are correct only. So I'm going with second option guys, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, sixth question guys. In the figure given below, if you draw a horizontal line on y-axis for y equals to what will be the number of clusters formed? So for sixth question, the probable answer is 2 guys. Next, seventh question. Which of the following clustering requires merging approach? Which of the following clustering requires merging approach? So for seventh question, the probable solution is third option guys, hierarchical. Hierarchical clustering requires the requires merging approach. Next, eighth one. State true or false. Hierarchical clustering should primarily be used for exploration. So for eighth question, it is true guys. Now moving on to the ninth question. State true or false. For finding dissimilarity between two clusters in hierarchical clustering, average link is the only metric used. Is the statement true or false? So for ninth question, it is absolutely false, guys. Now moving on to the final question of this assignment, that is 10th one. So before getting into this solution for this question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course Data Analytics with Python, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. We have collected this with 5 years of NPTEL experience. These are the previous year's questions, guys. 100% NPTEL oriented syllabus. So you will get a huge number of 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. So team up with your friends and take this pack. So mail me to this email ID if you want to purchase, guys. This is the mail ID. So only if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So that's it. Now let's get back to the solutions. The last solution is especially if two variables v1 and v2 are used for clustering, which of the following are true for k-means clustering with k equals 3? So two statements given. The first one is if v1 and v2 has a correlation of 1, the cluster centroids will be in a straight line. And second one, if v1 and v2 has a correlation of 0, the cluster centroids will be in straight line. So which of the following statements are true? So for 10th and final question, so the answer is I have got is option 4, guys, none of the above, because uh, there is no relation between cluster centroid and correlation. So I'm going with none of the above, guys. So if you differ with any of my above solutions, you can please give your option for any particular question or questions in the comment section, guys, positively. So we'll try to sort it out. If there is really a change, I will update that in the comment section as well. So that's it, guys, for this video. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share that with your friends and classmates. So keep supporting us like this, guys, and don't forget to take this 120 MCQs pack. Already many students have taken and started preparing, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.